Hi guys, we're Polly and Nina from Property Brokers, and today we're introducing you to 271B Grey Street. This is an absolute mint location, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I'm a big fan of the CBD, as we all know, right near Terrace End shops. And we've got Memorial Park, we've got the town, Broadway, we've got parks, and it's one level too,
Yeah.
which is perfect.
Oh, and unbelievable to the hospital, the schools, just you name it, it is all here at your fingertips.
Yep.
Come on through and we'd love to show you around.
So this is a cracking good unit. It's location we've talked about is fabulous, but it's a really balanced property. It's got a nice big rear courtyard. We've got an internal access garage with a separate laundry, nice flow, kitchen, dining and lounge, and a super big master bedroom. And good sized second bedroom.
Oh, absolutely. And it's just super tidy all the way through. You know, you spoke about the courtyard. To me, this is a real special place because at the moment we've got a good amount of sun, but give it an hour and it's just going to be flooded. It's super private. You know, this property will suit so many different types of people. It's not often you can find a unit close to town that is as spacious as this one. So look, come on down to the open home or give us a call. We can bring you through for a private viewing. We're Polly and Nina and we are the PNN in Palmy North Real Estate.